I definitely recommend you to debug the website and polish it. Now, me personally, this site looks really good. The images are working well, but I'm still gonna ask Claude to debug this and just make sure everything is working. We can also go ahead and change things like the text, but I do recommend to do that through WordPress. So if you start changing the text right here with the prompt, it's gonna take you a long time, and it's much faster and easier doing it with the page builder. But I do want to polish this up. Now here's the next prompt I'll enter. Now this is something just to clean it up. So if there are something wrong, like for example, if this right here, for example, is not working, just ask it to polish up the website, fix up any errors, and then it should self-correct. Polish up the website. Go throughout the website and look for any design inconsistencies and fix them. Make sure all links are working and debug the website for any issues. And on the mobile menu, the button text is not displaying. So let's go ahead and run this prompt. And after waiting about 5 minutes, it now debugged the entire website for us. Now here, I'll minimize this in mobile preview and take a look at our menu, and then you'll see the button now works just fine. And here's the website on a live browser. So you can see we have our beautiful landing page. Here we have the, it's like an upsell section. We have our real estate services in Las Vegas with these great images. And scrolling down, we have testimonials. We have some more upsells, and then we have a call to action and our footer here at the bottom. So overall, I'm really happy with how this website looks. So let's go ahead now and push this AI websites to a live domain.